Now it's that time of the year again, when the Indian capital of New Delhi turns into a gas chamber. The already poor air quality in the city has worsened after the Diwali festival, during which crackers were burnt despite the blanket ban. The Air Quality Index, or AQI, has now entered the severe category. According to forecasters, the conditions will prevail in the coming days as well. These are, of course, visuals from the Indian capital of New Delhi. Residents as well as adjoining cities woke up to a complete blanket of smog. Despite a blanket ban, people were seen bursting firecrackers. The visibility in Delhi still remains low. Some locals have begun complaining of respiratory issues, and they have also been battling watery eyes and an itchy throat.
Not only are we coughing more, we're getting more irritation in the throat and catch cold much easily. And you feel that the air is not as good as it was when you were a child.
It's important to know about the Air Quality Index, or AQI, to understand the scale of the crisis in Delhi. Let's tell you a little bit about this Air Quality Index. 0 to 50 signifies good air quality, while above 300 is very poor. The severe category is above 400. It is not uncommon for the Indian capital to witness a spike in air pollution in this time of the year. In fact, pollution has been rising even before the festivities began. One of the major contributing factors is stubble burning. This is the time when farmers in neighboring states of Punjab and Haryana burn the crop residue. And according now to the weather monitoring website, or SAFAR, the share of stubble burning in Delhi pollution may increase to 35% this week. Last year, stubble burning contributed a whopping 42% to Delhi's air pollution. There are other factors too, like the weather pattern. As monsoon begins withdrawing, the wind direction also changes. Less rainfall worsens the air quality.
So there are a lot of efforts which have been taken at different scales, but as I mentioned, air pollution is a complex problem, and the solution to it lies in controlling all different sources in a comprehensive way and reducing pollution at source, rather than going for band-aid solutions of installing smoke towers or sucking in pollution back from the air.
As the pollution rises, it is also important to get familiar with the health hazards that are linked to air pollution. The moment the AQI dips to moderate, people with asthma, heart disease face mild discomfort when breathing. If the air quality remains poor to very poor for a very long time, then a lot of people find it difficult to breathe with prolonged exposure. It can also cause respiratory illnesses. But severe air quality, according to the AQI, like the one that is currently being witnessed in the capital, affects even healthy people and seriously impacts those with underlying conditions. WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.